morning, friends. We just took everything out of the van and we're hot. It's super sunny. I was trying to find my swimsuit to put on, but I don't know where I put it. And she's gonna find his tank tops either. So we both are sweating today, for sure. What are we doing, Bobo?
Correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not sure that we've completely come together with a game plan, but I think today we are going to be putting up some roofing boards or some ceiling boards and maybe some walls.
Maybe.
Is that what you had in mind?
Maybe. Let's see how long it takes to put the ceiling first. Current situation. And these are the boards we got for the ceiling. They're really pretty, actually. The plan is putting these up, painting the white, which we still don't have the paint, so maybe just putting them up. And then we have these little guys that are really pretty. And they're gonna be on top of everything. You will see, you will see.
So when we go to cut, I'm leaving, because this is a double side, I'm leaving the smaller decorative piece down so we don't scuff up or scratch the top area.
Just a dawn away. I keep thinking about that big sky I've seen so many times before, but it's something else.
For the lights.
Okay, what now?
Now we need to
Attach it? Or open the holes to go through the things?
open the holes for the things, at least. I'm just doing this so the heads of our screws will sit flush down in there, and then we can come back over with wood putty, fill it in, and then paint it.
Cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. This one. Oops, too much. And this one.
There. Yeah, it is.
A little. Yeah. There you go. Well, friends, this has taken a little longer than we thought. But check this out. What?
Look at those shenanigans.
Good job, Bobo.
Good job, baby.
Just look at it's pretty bright.
It is very bright.
I'm excited.
I am too. If you've never done anything like this, which we've never used tongue and groove for anything other than flooring, then you would know that you should always have a cheater. So we've been using a cheater, but then we've also been using 2 boards here that we kick into place so we can position it without being, I guess, forcing ourselves to hold it up, which is pretty rad. It was a good job, babe. I really like the way you thought of that. Good job.
You did it. The battery's dead. It's time for us to go to bed.
My battery's dead as well.
Yeah, it's 8:48. It's kind of late for us to be cutting out.
I don't want to be sawing with the neighbors, and it's not like anyone has work.
Yeah,
But
it's quarantining. But
we did a lot today.
I'm proud of us. Good job, Bobo.
Took a lot longer than what I thought,
Yep.
which has become a pretty consistent phrase on this build. But
Yeah.
we're making sure we do things right,
Yeah.
so I'm okay with the extra time.
Yeah, we only have like 3 boards to go tomorrow.
Yeah.
We need to get some paint and
Some screws.
Some screws. Do we have glue to put in that?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tomorrow's task, I think it's gonna be put the 3 board in painted.
Yeah.
And then the next,
We're gonna get our walls up probably tomorrow too.
we'll see how that goes. Same. Baby, that's what you said today. Let's go to bed, friends. Good night. See you in the morning. Whoop. Good morning, friends. Day 2 of sealing. We're almost done. I think we have like 3 or 4 boards to put. We have to put wood putty in the little holes we made yesterday. We need to get some paint and then put the wood beams.
I don't know that we're gonna put the wood beams yet.
Okay, you wanna wait?
The reason being is we're gonna put cabinets up.
True. Very true. For sure, we're gonna try to finish as much as we can of the roof today. It's supposed to rain later in the day, so we're starting early. The weather's perfect because it's not too hot, not too cold. Let's get things done. Okay, so now let's measure how much we need in here.
Yep.
I got it for you.
Let's do 80 inches. We don't need it. We got this figured out.
You got it.
Yeah, all the way. Damn, look at that.
Look at that.
Just look at it. That's the money, honey.
Second board is in. Okay, what are we gonna do now? That took way longer than we thought. Again. But believe it or not, we are almost done with, well, we're done with one of the tasks for the ceiling, right?
Yep.
Let me show you how it's looking.
I guess the next step in finishing the ceiling of the van is really just an aesthetic thing. So we're going to paint the ceiling some sort of white color, but I need to take all of our surrounds for the fans off, and I also need to sand everything, and then we're going to be putting wood putty where all of our screw holes are. That way we'll go back through, sand it all again, and we'll have no visible holes anywhere in the beams, so it'll just make it that much nicer.
Let's start sanding. Okay friends, so we just finished sanding for the second time the ceiling. We went and got some paint. We picked an antique white to paint the top. It's gonna be in a satin finish, so we're gonna be able to wipe it if we have to wipe it. We're gonna do some paint. I'm super excited. Are you excited, Bobo?
Super excited.
Super excited. Are you guys ready to see the color? Okay.
Ah, don't hit your head.
It looks just like white.
Yeah.
It's an exciting white though. As exciting as white can get. Well, I guess I'm gonna change. Are you ready to paint?
I think it's gonna take a couple of coats of this.
Yeah.
It's like soaking up the paint super easily.
I know. Friends, we just finished a first coat. I think we're gonna call it at night. We have to let this dry. Tomorrow we can do the second coat. Supposedly it's gonna rain, so we'll see if we can get anything done tomorrow. But we'll see you in the morning.